Hi there, welcome to our channel. If entertainment on the go is what you're looking for, then you might get interested in this tablet called HiPad Plus, and it's from a Chinese company, Chuwi. This tablet is going to cost around $250 and will launch at the end of January. As per reports, the highlight of this tablet is its display. It will have a 11-inch fully laminated screen with 2K resolution and 350 nits of brightness. Yeah, with the resolution of 2176 by 1600 pixel, the picture quality will be crisp and detailed, so watching movies and playing some lightweight games will be fun. And right now we don't know which display technology it uses, like LCD or TFT, but hopefully it will be LCD. Next, coming to the build, it's made up of aluminum alloy and the angle reminds me of iPhone 12 series. The all-metal chassis may not be able to rival Apple for a premium look and feel, but should be sturdy enough to not need a case. The weight of this tablet will be around 500 grams with a thickness of 6.9 mm. This combination of thickness and weight makes it more comfortable to hold even with one hand. Powering this tablet will be the MediaTek MT8183 octa-core processor. It's a mainstream ARM SoC that was introduced in late 2019 and is primarily used for Android-based tablets. It is manufactured in a 12nm process and has a total of 8 CPU cores with 4 powerful Cortex-A73 and 4 small Cortex-A55 cores in a big little configuration. The integrated graphic card is the ARM Mali G72 with 3 clusters. The RAM is 4GB LPDDR4X and 128GB of eMMC 5.1 storage, with an option to increase the storage capacity with microSD card. The large 7300 mAh battery should be enough for multiple days of usage, particularly taking advantage of Android 10's battery optimization tools to manage the load on the battery for demanding tasks like gaming. As for camera, it will come with a front 8MP lens and 13MP rear camera lens. That's it, just 2 cameras. And that's enough. No one is interested in taking photos with tablets since everyone has smartphone, although the front 8MP lens will be more than enough for video chat. So what are your thoughts? We haven't used any tablets from this brand, so we don't know about the updates or service, but the specs do look superior, especially if price is considered. For around $250, you are getting a lot, and if you want a keyboard and pencil, then it will cost more, but we don't have any information on that. With that being said, if you like such products and want to be updated, then do subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we will catch you next time.